Ora Pa Wa is our latest kaupapa here at Omaka Marae, and it's really a return to the thought that our marae is a living, learning village. Tērā no te whakatauki, he tangata apuna ki te marae tū ki te ao tauana. So that talks about a person that is well connected to their marae, to their pā, learns all the values and then is able to go out and participate in the global village with confidence. So we already have a number of initiatives and kaupapa happening on the marae, like kapahaka, like pā kids. At the moment we've got 4 pou that are part of Pā Ora. One of the first ones is Pā Kids. Pā Kids is our after school marae-based leadership program for our babies and their whanau.
Part of what we do during our Pā Kids session is we're trying to whangaitia te reo, and we are bringing our whanau in. They accompany their babies, so they're learning as a whanau together to be able to take it out to their homes and into their wider community.
I love coming to Pā Kids. I bring on moko here, and it's a special time. It's about empowering the family to become responsible for their own lives, and it's so relevant today.
The other kaupapa, or the other pou that we have, is a whareha kinakina, and so that's about promoting kaupapa Māori healthy lifestyles for whanau.
What I love about these evenings is that it's a real whanau environment here, and that our tamariki are learning their tikanga as well as the kaupapa that we are Māori and that we are healthy and that we're developing strong children and strong bodies and strong minds as well.
It's getting better every time, yeah. Just love it. Bring with whanau, a healthy mind, healthy body.
I'm one of these people that have probably brought every membership to every gym and always sat in the car park, whereas with our whanau atmosphere here it's so much easier. Coming in, it's relaxed and everybody supports everybody.
The third one is a business enterprise for the marae, and so we believe as part of our rangatiratanga and our self-determination here at the marae that we have to be self-sufficient.
So here we are in the marae kota, and this is where all the action happens for our business enterprise called Manaaki Preserves. So at the moment we are working on 3 products. Our first one is a lemon and horopito sauce. We have a kawakawa jelly and a kamokamo pickle as well. So this is our little business venture that we hope one day will become self-sustaining and go towards all of the awesome kaupapa we have happening here at Omaka Marae.
The 4th pou, and probably the really big legacy one for us, is the investigation of establishing a kura here at the marae.
So this is our stepping stone. Pā Kids is this little thing that we're doing, and we've seen the need for it. We've got the hunger from our whanau.
We're giving our babies the opportunity that both my husband and I didn't get when we were younger. We'll be over the moon wrapped if we can have our own kura up here.
Hopefully we're the example where other marae can look at how they're able to develop the Pā Ora Pa concept within their community.